This is an unboxing video of the new Apple Card. At least I think that's what's inside. I don't know anything else that would be packaged this much beautifully. This is an unboxing video for the new Apple Card. Came via UPS today. And I thought, hey, you don't get one of these very often. It's the first one, which means it's historic. The same kind of classic packaging you would expect. This is cardboard. Nice sealed. Good old UPS. Should have my nails done. This is hard to get into. There we go. Yeah, it was painful opening this thing. I picked the right song. Yeah, look at that. Super cool. All kinds of legalese back here. There you have it. Jennie Walker. That's me. One of the first recipients of the new Apple Card. And the music you hear in the back, that's my music. You should check it out on Apple iTunes. My album, Night Flight to London, on Apple iTunes. My name is Jennie Walker. A recording artist, a singer, songwriter, reseller, consignment shop owner, charity fundraiser, and a lover of Apple. I really cannot wait to use this thing. And hey, they spelled my name right. Awesome. Guess I should take it all the way out, right? How do we do that? With one hand. We could do this. We could do it. Oh man, this is substantial. This is fancy. Goldman Sachs. Be sure and use your new Apple Card to buy the album Night Flight to London by Jennie Walker. Available on all of the digital distribution channels, including Apple iTunes. Thanks, UPS. Thanks, Apple Computer. Thanks, Apple Music. Thank you to Apple.